today and welcome to Let's Cook It. Yes, I'm chopping some vegetable because usually Sunday night I always like Chinese takeout, but today I decided to make it home and I'm making beef stir fry. So I'm slicing the carrot. I'm slicing it thin because I'm going to blanch them a little bit with the broccoli. Voila, here you go. I have some red pepper as well. And I have the green onion. Voila, I'll have some ginger. And some fresh garlic. I'm going to start with the garlic and ginger first. Voila, let's give extra chop to the garlic. Ready to go. Now turn the stove on high, and I'm using here sunflower oil. Nice, look at that. Voila. Put in garlic and ginger. I'm using here the cast iron frying pan, which is it does a very good job. And I'm using here pre-sliced inside round Angus beef. We're gonna cook it to take the flavor from the ginger and the garlic. In the meantime, let's put our water to boil. We're gonna blanch our vegetables. Voila, the water start boiling, so I'm gonna put the carrot first. Broccoli florette, and I'm just gonna add a little drop of oil. And we're just gonna blanch them. So about like as soon as it start boiling, 30 seconds, 40 seconds when it's boiling, and good to go. Nice. Now I'm gonna add the green onion. Voila. And I'm making it very simple today with the sauce. So I have here some red wine. I have oyster sauce. Tamari sauce. And some hoisin sauce. Now our vegetable almost ready. We'll dump it on top, mix it a little bit, and good to go. Very easy meal today. Vegetables ready. Turn off, and just on top. Give it a little mix. Voila, nice. I don't know if you noticed, I didn't put any cornstarch because the oyster sauce and the hoisin sauce is thick enough, so you don't need the cornstarch. Almost ready. I'm gonna finalize it with a little bit sesame. Voila. Give it a last mix, turn off, and good to go. Nice. Let's see. Ooh, it's gonna be hot. Unbelievable taste, quick and easy beef stir fry. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.